welcome back to the IT class. So, in the last classes, we are discussing about Malayalam typing related to our first chapter, isn't it? So, we are very fluent with the Malayalam keys in Ubuntu, isn't it? Then, today we are going to start our second chapter, that is globes and maps in the computer. Okay, so did you heard about globe and map? Then can you say what is the difference between a map and a globe? What is a globe? Here you can see the figure of a globe. This is the globe. What is this? Yes, this is a three-dimensional spherical shaped globe, isn't it? Three-dimensional, 3D. 3D, and then what is the shape of the globe? Spherical shape, isn't it? Then we can see the whole places in our world in this small globe, isn't it? This is the model of our earth. Okay, we can call globe as model of the earth. Okay, then what is a map? Here is the map. So we can call this as two-dimensional rectangular shape. Okay, this is two-dimensional. That means it is only having the length and breadth. Okay, so this is two-dimensional. And what is the shape of map? Rectangular shape. And here in the map also you can see the places in our earth. Okay, so that's all about maps and globes. Why are you looking? Are you confused? This is not the social science class, but this is the IT class. And why I am taking this means our second chapter is globes and maps in the computer. Okay, so we are going to study about globes and maps that is in the computer. Okay, here is the story given in the first part of your chapter. Okay, let us see what is that story. Did you read that story? Then can you say what is that? Yes, it is a story of a teacher and students. So, the teacher and the students are planning to go for a tour. For where? To Delhi. Okay. So, the teacher has given the list of places where they wish to go. And you can see that Needu and her friends is trying to locate the places in the globe and the map. But did they success? No. Why? Yes, because the globe size is very small and we couldn't locate the places according to our requirements. Okay. And at that time, they remembered that their social science teacher told them that there is lot of digital maps and globes which can be seen in the computer. And what is the difference between digital globe and manual globe? Yes, we could adjust the digital globes in your computer as according to our requirements. We can zoom in and we can zoom out and we can go for the places and we can search by name. Okay. We can search by continents, we can search by country, etc. So, it is very easy to find a specific location in our digital globe and digital maps. So, in this chapter, you want to study the name of two digital globes and maps. First one is Marble and second one is Google Earth. Okay, what is that? Marble, then Google Earth. Okay. In this chapter, you are going to learn how to operate Marble software. Did you see that software in your computer? From where you could open that? Yes, very good. Applications, education, then Marble. How can we open it? Applications, education, then Marble. Okay.
Activity 1.1 Finding places using Marble software. Open Marble by clicking on Applications, Education, Marble. By the help of mouse, we can adjust the globe to view Asian mainlands on the monitor. So, adjust like this. Now we can see the Asian mainlands in front of us. Now zoom in to view the landmass containing India using the scroll wheel of the mouse. See. Can you see India here? Okay. Our first activity is that find New Delhi on the globe. So, can you say where is New Delhi situated? If you are having doubts, you can make use of this search window. This is the search window. Type there as New Delhi. See, here New Delhi is displayed. Click on that. To see the name of the places, you want to zoom in like this. Okay. Now, can you see New Delhi? Now, your first assignment is that you could write the major places near New Delhi. So, first one is Agra. Agra is a major place. Okay. Then likewise, you want to fill that space in your textbook page number 17. Now we are moving to the activity 1.2, that is finding aerial distances using the marble.
Aerial distance is the distance between two places which can be measured through air, not measuring by the distance of roads. The distance from one place to other place. Usually we are calculating the kilometers and meters by calculating the road distance. But aerial distance means that it is the distance between two places measured through air instead of grounds or roads. Okay, is it clear? So in the softwares also we are handling with the aerial distances, and in this activity you are going to learn how to find the distance. Which distance? Aerial distance from New Delhi to Agra. Do you know that how far is from Agra to New Delhi? No? Okay, so you can know that in this session.
We can find the aerial distance between two places using the marble software. Let us see how we can measure the distance between New Delhi and Agra. The first step is that find New Delhi in marble globe. Then second step is that click the right button of the mouse on it. So this is the Delhi. Then right click it, and here you can see add measure point. So select the first option, that is add measure point. Now find Agra on the marble globe. Here you can see Agra. Do the same steps. Okay. Right click on that. Click on the add measure point. Now you can see the aerial distance between New Delhi and Agra. Do you see a red line? Yes, a line is appearing to connect both the places. Okay. Here you can see a box and the total distance is displayed here, that is 173.1 kilometer. Okay. Now in the same way you want to find the distance between the headquarters and New Delhi using the marble globe. So which is our headquarters? District headquarters? Yes, Kalpata. So you want to find Kalpata on the search box, and you want to find the distance between New Delhi and Kalpata. Search Kalpata in the search box. Click enter. Now zoom in to see the names. Here you can see Kalpata. Did you see a plus button here? Okay. Now do the same steps as we do before. Right click on that. Select add measure point. Then go to New Delhi and repeat the same process. To zoom in, you can make use of this slider also. You can see the plus and minus button here. Did you see this? Okay, so to zoom in, you can make this slider up. Okay, so here you can see Calcutta. We already added the measure point. Now you want to find New Delhi. So if you feel difficulty, you can type here as New Delhi. Click on enter key. Here you can see New Delhi. So right click on that and just click on add measure point. Now you can see a line appearing there. If you are zooming out, you can see that. See, this is the aerial distance. Total distance 1902 kilometer. Okay, so write that on your textbook page number 8. Now, what is the difference between your district headquarters and state capital? So, you want to find the distance between Calcutta and Thiruvananthapuram. So, if you want to remove this add measuring point, you want to right click, then you can select remove measure points. Okay, now the measure points is removed. So here you want to type Calcutta, zoom in, right click on Calcutta and you can click add measure point. After that you want to type Thiruvananthapuram. Here it is, select and enter. Here you can see Thiruvananthapuram, right click on that, click on add measure point. Now a line is appeared and the distance is 368.5 kilometers. So you want to write this measurement to your textbook in the space given.
Okay, my dear children, I think you all understood these topics, and in the next class we can start with the next activity. So till then you want to stay at your home itself and stay safe. Okay, so we can continue our chapter in the next class. Thank you.